Oh my god, no way I did that! Oh my god, that was so bad! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I literally just hugged his entire body. Okay, that's fine. Any Nightmare Creatures PS1 did you ever say in the chat? Nadia's a bit. Actually, what if Nadia is actually the exact same but genderman? The exact same damage, the exact same speed, the exact same everything. What if we looked it up and it seems like, oh, she's just completely the same, just female. We're climbing though, we're still in Emerald. She just feels different. She does feel different. I agree with that. Me lurk, thank you for lurking, Kim Recker, by the way. She definitely has a different weapon. Oh, that's true. She is different in that way. Sword, staff. Yep. Wait, I'm severely underleveled. I can soak experience if that's okay. Because I kind of need it. I just felt like he was weak. Alright. Good luck, Zach, and thank you for lurking. I appreciate that. Oh god. He's 16, by the way. yeah, he's 16 and balding. Like, come on. He's 16, by the way. Igneous, or whatever his name is. I actually don't know how to say his name. I sense sexy beats. Hey, welcome in, Zender. Welcome in. You sensed right. Only the sexiest VTubers here. Yeah. Why? Oh no. Oops, I actually pulled random. I mean, yeah, it's actually a good sub them. How are you, Zenderman? I just gave him the free money for that. I do have GA for this fight though, so this is quite good though. I don't know, why are we recalling for? But it's dead, so I guess that's why. We are not gonna win that. I think it's good if we collapse on Seth here. But we gotta act fast, but I don't, it's too late, that's way too late, yeah. And she missed the arrow too. So. And besides, like, it wouldn't have been a good...
Wow! Okay, I'm dead. They cut me off in the...
Meeting with your lawyer? That sounds serious. Zenderman. Oh my god. I think maybe we lost this. Yeah, it seems that. It seems that way. And I guess... I think I'm actually wait. I need to actually make something happen here. She flashed. Sorry? Okay. Reposition. Okay. Danger.